If you're looking for a stylish, powerful, and modern SUV, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 might be the perfect choice for you. Mazda has taken this model to the next level with improved design, technology, and performance. Sleek and modern design. The new CX-5 comes with a bold and attractive look. The redesigned front grille and sleek LED headlights give it a more modern appeal. Its aerodynamic body design not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves fuel efficiency and stability on the road. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the CX-5 offers a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, providing the perfect balance between power and efficiency. For those who crave more performance, the turbocharged variant delivers extra horsepower and torque, making highway driving and overtaking effortless. The iActive AWD system comes standard in higher trims, ensuring better traction and control in various driving conditions. Premium interior and features. Step inside the 2025 Mazda CX-5, and you'll experience a premium cabin with high-quality materials, a modern dashboard, and an ergonomic design. The latest infotainment system now features a larger touchscreen with improved responsiveness, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an upgraded sound system for an immersive audio experience. Mazda has also focused on comfort, introducing newly designed seats for better support during long drives. Rear passengers will appreciate the ample legroom, making the CX-5 a great choice for families. Advanced safety features. Safety is always a priority, and the CX-5 is packed with advanced driver assist features. Standard across most trims are adaptive cruise control. The CX-5 delivers impressive mileage without compromising on performance. Is the 2025 Mazda CX-5 the right SUV for you? The 2025 Mazda CX-5 continues to be a strong contender in the compact SUV segment, offering a stylish design, refined interior, advanced technology, and an engaging driving experience. Whether you're looking for a practical family car or a fun-to-drive crossover, the CX-5 is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Car Lovers for more exciting car updates. What are your thoughts on the 2025 Mazda CX-5? Let us know in the comments below.